Okay, so let's have a look at the materials we're going to need for our whisper. We will need toilet paper rolls or any cardboard roll, pair of scissors, glue, pencil, tape, any kind of tape, markers, paper, stickers, goggly eyes, anything you have to decorate, okay? Okay, so we're going to start making our very own whisper. I have here some extra paper rolls that we're going to stick together to make it super long, okay? If you don't have many of these, no worries. You can do it with only one, or you can do it putting two tubes together, two rolls together, alright? So, I'm gonna make mine super long. One option is to whisper for only one person. Another option we can have is to whisper to two people at the same time. This is gonna be fun, okay? So, we can join the two tubes like this, okay? We can make a hole here and join them together, or we can make it just for one person. Let's start. First of all, we're going to join or to put together or stick the two tubes together, alright? Be careful because they kind of move, okay? They go crazy. So first, maybe you can put a little bit of tape, okay, to have them stick together, and then you fasten it once more. Here we go. Then I'm gonna join these two together to make it extra long. And finally, we're going to put together the tubes. Now, once we have the tube, the long tube, you can do two things. Number one, you can start decorating it, okay? You can use your markers, you can use stickers, colored paper, you can maybe paint on it as you wish. But I am going to do option number two, that is, I am going to take this tube, I'm gonna make a hole, okay, here, I'm gonna cut through it, and I'm going to insert the longer tube to have two people listening at the same time. To have two people listening, we're going to do this. You're going to put the long tube on top, okay, of the other tube that is going to be in horizontal orientation. You're gonna take your pencil and you're going to mark the circle, okay? Good. This looks a bit weird. Alright, now you're going to ask your mother for help, or your father, or any other adult person in the house, okay? Because this can be a little bit dangerous. So, we're gonna make a hole through the tube very carefully. Okay, once you finish, you have your hole, you're going to try to insert the longer tube, even if it is a little bit difficult, okay? Oopsies. Okay, mine broke a little, but that happens. And you're going to check that there is still some room for the voice to go through, okay? Once you do this, you're going to fasten it using some tape. Now that I have my whisperer ready, I'm going to start decorating. Okay, so we're ready. I have my whisperer ready. It's a bit colorful, okay? I put some goggly eyes to decorate it, make it fun. It's ready to tell a story, to recite a poem, maybe a scary story would be great to be whispered. Alright? Just make sure to share it with your family and friends. Okay? Bye-bye!